If you're in a spot without power, you have not been forgotten. If you feel like you're abandoned, you are not. We're still in this together. The Weather Channel continues to give you coverage. We're going to get through this.
Currently in our area, 88 degrees under cloudy skies. Tonight, thunderstorms, low 70, winds east-northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain, 80%. Thursday, sunshine and clouds mixed, high 91, winds south-southeast at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy, chance of a thunderstorm, low 73, chance of rain, 30%. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Check out this video here from Puerto Rico. We're seeing some of the big waves a little bit earlier when the storm was a bit stronger. Intense waves here. This video was shot not too long ago as Hurricane Maria began to pull away from San Juan. The waves offshore are still as high as about 20 feet, so some rough surf right there.